Hey, what's up guys, it's Theo from Fino Concept. So I was in Accra about 3 weeks ago, which is like the most populated area in Ghana, and it is also rated to have the most cases of the coronavirus. So I have been indoors ever since I came back for the past 2 weeks without visiting the rest of my family, and today I'm going to visit them. But before that, I have some few ideas. I can't find my paper, so I have some few ideas for a photo shoot of some pictures I'm going to be taking of myself by myself. So in this video, I'm going to bring you on board on how I take all of these images. So if you want to do something quite similar, you may learn a thing or two from that. Anyway, let the journey begin. After I brush my teeth, take my bath, change my clothes, and I think that will be all. Alright, so for this shot, I'm actually in this open space right here. Let me just show you. It looks quite decent. There's actually no one here, and the background is very static, so I think I can do the clone effect also here. Then don't take off your nose mask for whatever reason, especially when you're in public. I'm the only one here, and I don't think anyone has been here for the past 10 minutes because the virus is supposedly can stay in the air for about 10 minutes, so don't take it off. But since I'm the only one here, let's see if you can take some pictures. The sun keeps getting higher and higher, so we are just going to wait for some clouds to pass over it, then we can just get some nice diffuse lights on it and take some pictures. This is the most annoying part of every photo shoot. You have to wait for the perfect combination before you can even take a picture. So yeah, I'm still here waiting for the sun to come down so that I can take this picture. So after waiting for quite a long while, the sun is making no effort to come down, so I just think I have to take the pictures like that. I have to switch the camera to manual focus because I don't want to press the shutter button, and every time I do it's going to try and refocus. So let's take the first picture. So over here, what I do is I set the camera to a 10-second timer, then I try to move as fast as I can to the location I want to stand, then I take the picture. So the light is down now because of some huge cloud. So what I have to do is take as many pictures as I can right now, and I'm even talking to you. I should stop talking right now. I think that is okay for now. Let's just move to the next location. So of course, anytime I come to UMAT, I want to get a picture of myself right at the waterfall. That is something I love doing. But I think the water is a little bit too high today because of the rain. So I don't know. I think it will look cool. So I'm going to be sitting right there over here and see if I can get the image. So first of all, I place my bag here to get focus Then once I get the focus, I put the bag away and I'm able to stand at that exact location where the bag was, so that I can always be in focus when I'm taking the pictures. This is a sad thing about doing everything on your own. So this is not part of my plan, but imagine taking a picture on top of the hill over there. Ooh, I'm tired. That should look awesome with the clouds up in the sky, vertical or portrait. I mean, but it's not part of my plan, so let's just forget about it. Probably some other time. So here we are at the final location. Whoa, I almost fell there. This bridge right here. I'm hoping to get some nice pictures from here because of the whole leading lines perspective kind of thing. Alright, so looking at what I have here, it's a lot better to shoot from this direction towards this side because there's more shade here, and if I stand here and shoot, that background is going to be overexposed, so that's what I'm trying to correct. If I take it from this direction to, let me show you, this is what I have to deal with. A bunch of wooden doors, so I think I have to stick with that for now and probably just shoot from here and be able to edit it afterwards. I'm also going to put my nose mask on because I have this crazy idea, so let's see how it looks.
Keep coming back, 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 keep coming back. Of things we know.
Alright, so I'm done with today's shoot. The next time you see me is when I'm done editing the photos and I'm showing you the before and the after. Also, I hope that my phone doesn't fall down because of this tiny gorilla pod I have here. Anyway, see you guys when I'm done editing them. Alright, so I'm done editing all the images. For the clone shots, I just use masking to replace all of that. I have tutorials on masking, so if you're interested in that, how to clone yourself in the video, how to clone yourself in the picture, I'll leave a link in the description below so that you can check it out. I also applied the same effect on all of the images so that they will look at least a bit similar to each other. It makes it a lot easier when you are masking everything out. Now for this shot right here, what I did was I applied a new preset I just developed quite recently. I call it the forest preset. And what it does is it makes the leaves reddish and greenish and bluish at the same time. And the fun part about it is the skies look very blue when you do it this way. Again, I'll be doing tutorials about this later on, so if you're interested, be sure to subscribe to the Phenomenal Concept channel because that's where I do all the tutorials. And for the last shot where I'm stretching my hands to whoever is receiving it, so the idea here is I'll stretch my hands at the back of the camera and I'll stretch my hands in front of the camera, so it will look as if I'm pulling myself out of the coronavirus pandemic or whatever it is. So that's the basic concept I had here. So basically these are the final images. I'll be posting some of them on my Instagram, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, be sure to follow at Theolabi and Phenoconcept. Phenoconcept because that's where most of the photo manipulation and the editing stuff goes on there, and Theolabi because I took pictures and that's the photography side. So that is about it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and other channels which I have them linked below, and as always, don't forget to share with your family and friends. This is Theo from Phenoconcept, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Let me wash my hands first. What's up?